What is going on, everybody? My name is Werewolf Gaming Boy 399, and today we are going to play a game called Noob Train. It's a game where you make like so much noobs, and the game like literally gets broken. Like seriously, well, not get. It gets only broken when you make too much. Anyways, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button. Let's hop and run into the video. Okay, so let's do like one noob. Okay, we have a noob following me. Alright. Here's a noob. Wait, following me now. As you can see, we have a noob now. He's right here. He's right here. I don't want to change my jump power. Who's that? He's a friend. Okay, now we got 10 noobs. Look at that, they're all just following me. Stop following me! Stop! Sorry, I had a cough. Alright, so here are our noobs. Right here, as you can see, hello, we have our noobs. Let's see. Oh, noob size, I want to do that later. Okay, I lost all my noobs. Let's do 25. Whoa, that looks cool. Well, let's be super thick. Now, I'm thick now. 50. Now look at this, we're all giving each other high fives, yeah, or we're going inside. And yes, we are going inside them. Now we're gonna be super skinny. Alright, come on. Oh, look at them. Why do I look like a thin piece of paper? Shake your height. Whoa. Wee! We get a bunch of white noobs instead of paper. What is this? What is this? This is the most terrifying thing. Let me change my head. A bit longer. Oh, that is perfect. Let's change your speed to 50. Whew! We got a bunch of fast noobs. 500. Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Reset. Whoa! They're all going crazy. Wee! Wee! Okay, yeah. Get rid of the noobs. Yeah, let's see how fast we go. Oh, first person. Whoa! Oh, whoa. I thought I got kicked out of the map. Whoa! Okay, I don't. What is happening? My game's glitched. Because they didn't break my recording. Ah! Ah! I guess my dream has come true, becoming a YouTuber. Wee! 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 Oh, I'm just checking my audio. Wee! 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 Okay, that's enough of that. Let's make it like a this much noobs. Is that all? We'll fight too. I don't think I see my noobs. Okay, yeah. Get it up. Whoa. You hear that? Like the ceiling can't hold us by Macklemore. My mom's at the gym. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Yeah, there. There, yeah. And this is gonna be the biggest mistake of my life, but don't worry. think I can do it. Okay, whoa, okay, whoa. Whoa. How does guy get out of the map? Be able to make a billion noobs. A billion jillion noobs. Okay, yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, whoa. Okay, they're already going crazy. They're going crazy now. Okay, yes. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay, oh my goodness. Whoa. My gosh. And I was listening to some music from there. Like, this is just so weird. Like, I make a bunch of trains right in the sky. They're my noobs. Let's be set. Let's set it to 20 noobs. Can we trust them as YouTubers? Dark code underscore real freak. Whoa! Creek rat! It's Creek rat! Okay, Creek rat, follow me! And then now we're gonna be super thick! Okay, that doesn't mean go all crazy. They're all forming into a giant Creek rat. No, stop! Stop following me! Okay, no. We gotta change it back to normal. They're all trying to form into a giant creek. What are you doing? Focus on me. Their brain. These guys, their brains are literally too small to know how to follow me. But these guys are smart. What do you think you're doing? What the heck is this? Get off of him. Get off. Don't get off. Dude, stop. I wanted to call you here for a meeting, not to literally crush me. Stop. Okay, you guys are annoying. I'm gonna get time to get in this daily. Mazavu. Okay, I don't know what flamingos. Real username is. I don't know what Flamingo's Roblox username is. Mazam. You gotta be kidding me. Whatever, let's just go back to normal. What just happened? I think I broke the game. I don't know how. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi. Hi. See ya. Bye. Hi. And I'll make another video of me playing the new update of Doors. Like and subscribe if you want me to play that.